Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and if you're wondering how to burn a bay leaf correctly and safely, you landed on the right video. Today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to burn a bay leaf. Look, and do it correctly, okay? But now listen, if you're looking for videos that give you bay leaf rituals, after this video, there will be other videos to help you and guide you to rituals, whether you're using it for money, love, some type of abundance, whether it's a house or a car. All of that will follow this video. But I really want you to know the basics on how to burn the bay leaf, and then you can take it from there. If you're new to My World of Metaphysics, this is a metaphysical law of attraction channel that gives nothing but spiritual lessons and manifesting rituals. So now listen, don't forget to like, subscribe, tap the bell, but most of all, you just keep watching these videos. So now listen, if you want to learn how to burn a bay leaf correctly, keep watching. I'm back, everyone. Now, let's go through this very quickly. And again, if you want to know more about bay leaf rituals, they will be attached to this video. Now, the first thing you need to know is that, come on now, you guys, you need a dry bay leaf, okay? A dry, whole bay leaf. Do it have to be dry? Don't ask the question, okay, you guys? Listen, a dry whole bay leaf. The next thing I'm going to ask you to have is some tweezers, okay? Because we're learning how to do this safely, okay? I need you to have some tweezers, okay? The next thing I'm going to have you have is a Sharpie, okay? And listen, when we're talking about Sharpies, Sharpies can come in many different colors. You choose what's great for you. But I usually just use a black Sharpie. But if you're talking about love, you can use pink or red. If you're talking about health or peace, you can use blue, gold for abundance, this orange for success. There's so many colors of Sharpies you can use. But to me, what shows up the best is the black Sharpie. Now, the next thing I'm asking for you to have is a container. You're going to use a glass container or something that will not burn to basically burn the bay leaf over and catch the ashes. And the final thing that I need you to have is something to burn the bay leaf. Now, that could be a set of matches or it can be a candle. Again, just like the Sharpie, you can pick the candle color of your choice. A white candle will do fine, everyone. It could be used for anything. But if you want to be specific, you can get a 50-cent candle. It could be green for abundance. It could be red for love, pink for love, orange for success. Whatever it is you're trying to do, you can get that particular candle for whatever it is. Now listen, you can also get a candle that is programmed for whatever it is that you're trying to do. Now, this right here is a wealth candle, and it is great for burning your bay leaf because not only have you set the intent in the bay leaf, but the candle has the intent in it also. Now, again, we're specifically talking about burning a bay leaf safely. Now, after you have gathered all that you need to burn the bay leaf, plus you have written on the bay leaf exactly what it is that you want, okay, setting the intent, you're basically going to burn the bay leaf. Now, the reason I asked for you to have tweezers because we don't want any flames by your hands. So you're going to take the bay leaf, okay, and you're going to place it in the tip of the flame, okay? Now, bay leaves burn kind of funny, okay? It burns and then it goes out. Do not feel bad when it goes out, everyone, okay? You're just going to, again, light the bay leaf again, and you're going to hold it over whatever it is that you're catching the ashes in, okay? As this bay leaf is burning, you could also say little prayers while you're doing this, okay? But the main thing is that you're going to keep burning the bay leaf while you're holding it with the tweezers. And then once it's basically burnt, you're going to catch the ashes in the glass container. Again, long as it's fireproof. Do not use plastic, everyone. Please don't. Okay? Now, another way you can burn your bay leaf, and that is by using matches. Now, I usually don't do this. To me, it seems harder and it takes longer, okay? And at the same time, the match will light and it will travel too close to your finger. When you're using the tweezers, it really don't go any further than the bay leaf. So, only thing you're going to do is light the match, pick up the bay leaf, and you're going to do the same thing. You're going to burn the bay leaf, thinking of your intention, over the canister, okay? And tell you the truth, this one burnt really, really well, okay? And if there's anything left, you're going to continue burning, okay? And that is it. Now, by burning it in the canister, if any flames come back up, it's in a safe container. You don't have to worry about it damaging anything. You also want to watch out for a couple of sparks, okay, everybody? So again, make sure if you're burning bay leaf that you have something to catch the ashes in. Now listen, again, you can use a match, a lighter, if you want to. Me, personally, I like to use wooden matches or a candle. It keeps everything in alignment. It keeps everything spiritual, but you can use a lighter and it's just the same. Now, once you catch your ashes, get rid of the ashes in a safe way. If you're going to throw them out, then put them on a napkin that has been dampened, okay? Or you can go outside and blow it out. Do not put ashes unless they are totally out in your garbage can. I'm telling you not to do it, and I don't advise it. Because if you want to know how to burn a bay leaf safely, this is how to do it. Now, again, you can use all types of ways to burn the bay leaf. You can use a 7-day candle. You can actually use a 50-cent candle. You can use a candle that's pre-programmed for whatever it is that you want. And again, set the intent in whatever it is that you're doing, and you cannot go wrong. So, okay, everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. And if you want to know some bay leaf rituals, keep watching the videos after this. If you want any of these things, everything is located in my store, and the link is in the description. And namaste.